Hi, your Samsung Galaxy A34 does not charge? As a first step, take another phone and connect it with the same Type-C cable, which goes in a conflict with this device. If it charges, the problem is with your phone, of course, and if it doesn't charge, there is something wrong with the cable or power adapter. So try a different adapter too, or try to charge your phone with the help of different charging cable. Now, if it didn't help, so you can see that it is simply not charging, then we can try to restart the phone. And for that, we need to hold the combination of power button and volume down buttons. So you'll see this power off menu. Here, simply select restart, then tap this icon again and your phone will turn off and then turn on within a couple of seconds and you will see the Samsung logo as well. And also, if this didn't help as well, try to update your phone. For that, simply go in these settings. Here, just go in the software update, download and install, and if you have new software updates here, then update your device because usually updates includes fixing old issues and adding new features. And as you can see, in my case, my device is up to date. So in this case, we can try to make force reset. And for that, as before, hold power button, volume down, but in this case, ignore the power off menu. Just continue holding till you see that the screen turned off and then Samsung logo appears on the screen. And now we can release the buttons and after a few seconds, it will turn on itself. And I hope this will solve the charging problem. So hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.